You ready for a game changer in removable coatings? Stay tuned. Today we're here to talk to you about the next generation of Custom Wrap Wet Look. Custom Wrap Wet Look provides excellent peelability compared to the competition and allows you to achieve an ultra high gloss wet look sheen. Custom Wrap Wet Look comes in a two-can system. First, you have your prep spray that provides excellent release agents for your top coat. Your top coat allows you to achieve that ultra high gloss sheen that you've been looking for. Next, we're going to talk to you about our project on this 2017 Mustang. Now this Mustang looks cool, but we want to make it more aggressive. To do that, we're going to create a side accent with Custom Wrap Wet Look. First, we're going to tape off our design and then mask off any areas unintended for application. Now keep in mind, since this is a removable coating, the paint is easily removable with the rag. Now we're going to head right into prep. Now we're going to work off of the design profile to create our template. We wipe the surface down really good with grease and wax remover, and now we're applying our tape. So we got our design laid out, and as you can see, it looks really cool. So now we're going to head into taping. Because Custom Wrap Wet Look is a two-step system, it's going to require 2 layers of tape, so each coat is peeled while it's still wet. I know it might sound like a lot of work, but it's actually going to save you a lot of time in the long run. So we have our 2 layers of tape laid down, and now we're ready to apply Custom Wrap Wet Look Step 1. We recommend 2 coats of Step 1 applied in a crosshatch pattern so you don't miss any spots for your top coat. So we have 2 coats of our Step 1 laid down, and now we're going to peel our first layer of tape while the coating is still wet. Alright, so we let our Step 1 dry for 10 minutes, and now we're ready to apply Custom Wrap Wet Look Onyx Black. Now we recommend 4 to 6 coats. Keep in mind, the more coats you apply, the easier it will be to remove. We also put a Spray Anyway nozzle on Custom Wrap Wet Look. This allows you to spray in any angle, but it also dispenses more product out of the can, allowing you to complete projects faster. So we just finished applying our 5th coat of paint, and now we're going to remove our tape while the coating is still wet. Since this is a removable coating, you want to ensure that you remove the tape before the coating dries. So we removed our tape and let the coating dry down, and as you can see, our side accent turned out awesome. The really cool thing about Custom Wrap Wet Look is that ultra high gloss sheen carries over from the OEM top coat. And the best part about it is our next generation easy peel technology that lets you peel the coating effortlessly. So you guys ready to peel this? So we just peeled our paint. As you can see, it peels so easily. To learn more about this or any of our other products, visit Dupli-Color.com.